Yeah, this is the component side for 201 amplifier and TRS6 to memory receiver in here. It's see like this, no anything to modify this, only feel the connection in here, only feel this, only 4Y connected in here, but circuit is no modify this. Okay, when we ready, we plug to supply. Now I plug this to supply here and open it. When it's open, the amplifier is can standby mode. Standby mode. Amplifier is can operate when you made selection and play control here. Play control. Play control socket and can operate the amplifier. But now I use the Bluetooth controller to operate. If you need ready on the switch on for Bluetooth. You hear the sound of Bluetooth in here, and I will connect the Bluetooth. Yeah, now it's connected. See, like this is no blink, no blink, and let's play the media you want. Okay, I have my favorite music. Yeah, I have my favorite music. Okay, now play. Yo. Yeah. When you need to off back to normal mode, turn off this. Yeah, it's back to standby, and you can make selection from the selection key and can enjoy your old music from vinyl. If you need to hear music from internet or something on Bluetooth device, turn on this. Made the first made the jukebox on the standby mode and turn this on. Yeah, Bluetooth is okay. Again, don't need turn off this. Yeah, now it's turn off. Okay, see you next time. Bye bye.